great voice. Bought his own cake.
The supreme is going to your head. The days tonight, daylight there. See this right, no despair. We get only stars in the air.
7 o'clock in the morning. Baler. There's a man out there surfing. It's a grey sky. There's some sun up there. The wind has died. Look at those palm trees. It's Sunday. What a day. Oh, I've just been for a swim in the infinity pool. Bit scary that, but lovely. It's the pool lounge area. There's a jacuzzi in there. Seating area. Vibrant colours. Oh, Jim is out here. First surf lesson today. Somewhere. Trying to paddle out. Well, you can see the wind is getting up and it's blowing out the surf now. So it's 25 past 8. So an hour and a half after high tide, the waves are working till the wind comes in, and then an hour and a half it's an onshore wind and it just flattens everything out. Makes it really difficult to turn around and surf because it doesn't hold the wind, hold the wave, it just pushes the waves flat. There's Jim.
That was gnarly.
Gnarly! There's a nice word. Hey, Kuya, ¿cómo está? Okay lang? Is he okay?
Well,
Stand up.
More practice needed.
Yeah, look at you.
Yeah, I already went. Oh, you didn't see me.
I went fishing.
Oh, yeah, you.
Oh, there we go. The surf community.
Andy.
Hello, Andy.
Smile ka.
Hello. How are you doing? What is your name?
Andy.
Auntie?
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Are you enjoying Baler?
Yeah.
Baler?
Baler.
Baler.
Yeah.
There we go. Okay, just bought a t-shirt. There we go from Annie. We're on our way to La Uña. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, there we go. Nice shop here.
Yes.
There we go. The Moby Dick surfboard. Yeah. Ahab on a Sunday tried to harpoon me on the beach. They've got some nice boards here, they're all waxed up, but I prefer this one. It's about an 8.5, 7.6 thruster. Somebody's board, it's got the board bag there. There we go. Scooter's ready, waiting for James. Gonna get some fuel today. Got half a tank and we're going to be riding over to La Union. So, Baler. So, Sunday morning, 9:30, you have to get in the queue here and pay these guys to turn around and take pictures for you. Very, very nice. Yeah, look at that. Oh, there we go. Wavy, wavy, wavy. It's a destination for people to turn around and ride on a Sunday. Wow, look at that. This is the valley that runs on the 113 into Baler. Jim came on this where I rode yesterday, and I'm coming out on this road. But I came in on the other side of the valley doing the Baler loop. I came in on the 111 and I then transitioned into the 112, stayed in Baler, and now we're transitioning out and around this massive, massive national park here in Aurora province. Unbelievable. That's beautiful, isn't it? Look at that. This is a resort area where you can turn around and swim in the lake and do boating. No skiing though, and it doesn't look busy. I find that a bit strange. We're riding this way on the Baler loop, and then look at that. It's beautiful, isn't it? Welcome. Yes. 11 o'clock. We're on the way out. Aurora province. I can tick that box. Another one of my aspirational motovlogs, tours around the Philippines. I'm getting to see this country again. Look at that. Baler Aurora. The Bishop of Our Lady of Charity. Spanish church. It's beautiful, isn't it? Look at that. I've been informed this is La Union, the Onion City. La Union. Wow. They're doing mass. It's 4 o'clock. St. Jude, St. John, a very, very nice church, very Spanish. It's beautiful. Worth the trip? Yeah. Long day? Yeah. Bottom sore? Yeah. No profanities in the church.